everybody, and welcome to a very big date. Today is the 14th November 2020, and for the history of SAFE, today is a very big deal. Today is the launch of our brand new application, where we worked the past 3 years on it, where we invested a lot of money, a lot of work, a lot of blood, sweat, and tears, however you want to call it. I have a partner of mine here today in the call. I'm moderating this call today, the launch today. My partner, Diego Mourad, is doing together with me the launch today. And yes, I think the best is a lot of people know him already. A lot of people maybe don't know him. The best is that I give real quick the word over to Diego, that he can introduce himself. Diego, from my side, is one of the most skilled business people here in the blockchain space. He together or we all together, our team, built something great, something awesome. And maybe Diego, I give you quick the word. You can introduce yourself. What is your position in SAFE? What are you doing? He is a very important person, the most important person in SAFE. Diego, I just let you quick introduce yourself.
Hey Björn, hi everyone. We are very happy for this date today. And what will I say for the people that know me or the people don't know me? I am the CEO of SAFE, but I wouldn't say that is very, very important. I'm one of the team member, and we are very proud of our team. Everybody who is in business, doing business, know that without a team that is willing to put all the sweat and efforts into a vision, we wouldn't achieve nothing. And the past 3 years speaks for themselves. We didn't sleep much. We sacrificed a lot of time. We sacrificed a lot of free time without spending time without family and nothing to put this great vision forward, and taking it like almost a religion, I would say, that occupies a great part of our brain and our thinking. And but that's what I think this is the key to success and the key where we are today. And I'm very proud to announce what we achieved today, and the next 30 days will be very exciting, I think. So we will build up on this, and yes.
Thanks a lot, Diego, for the introduction. I just can confirm this. We really was working behind the scenes the last 3 years like crazy. We had first, for the people who are new here, for maybe don't know SAFE already, we had first a beta stage or a beta version of our application out. Now we have the version 1 of our application, of the web application, of other applications or other products on the market. We will guide you today step by step to this process, and we will show you how our products actually are working, and we will really deep dive into really deep dive into those products today. We will demonstrate the products today. From today on, you personally can use our products, so they are not complicated, they are completely for free. And we will as well talk about our future goals. We have a very special month. We have basically our launch, which is launching today, but today is not everything. We will have the next few weeks. We will tell you later a little bit more what will come the next few days, the next few weeks. We will have every week something new for you which are watching right now. And I would say we just hop in right now. What you are saying or seeing right now, dear watcher, is the old SAFE webpage on the time where you will watch this video. This page will not exist anymore. We will take it down from the internet, and it will be replaced by our actual product. Diego, do you have something additional to to finalize what I said? Do you have something from your side? If not, I will jump right now directly into the product.
No, I just would just say it's a special time with the whole COVID thing, and that's how we are acting on it with our on the online thing, and we are working with the things we have and right now, the opportunities.
Exactly, exactly. Perfect. So let's jump directly in. I'm very excited, to be honest, to announce that, because it was really a lot of work the last years. And guys, if you have questions concerning the product, you can write us in our Telegram group. You can write us an email under info@safe.io. You can contact us, and yeah, you can just interact with us. We are humans, so you can really directly get in touch with us. So what we're seeing right now here is the new SAFE interface. For all the people who don't know what SAFE is, I explain it real quick, and I will as well, let's say, demonstrate it to you how it works. So SAFE basically is a search engine for items. So let's say I have an example of an item here. This is an iPhone. And this iPhone has, of course, a serial number. We will today put this serial number of the iPhone into our system. We will show you or demonstrate you how you can upload an item into our SAFE. We will show you how you can digitally transfer the ownership right to somebody else. We will show you this today. And we will show you today how safe transactions work. We will announce the SAFE sticker together with our online shop. We will show you how you can get it, how it will be, or when it will be delivered. We will show you today everything step by step. We will show you as well what are the next steps when it comes to our application on iOS devices, Apple devices, and Android devices. And we will show you step by step how everything is working. So basically, this here is the SAFE interface, as I explained before. And I show you right now, guys, how you can very easily, it's completely for free, how you can sign up to SAFE. Diego, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Perfect, then let's go. So guys, the SAFE interface under safe.org, you can find our webpage, and here is the access button. You easily click here on access, and here pops up an interface. If you have already an account, you can just sign in here, or if you have no account, you can easily press here sign up. There is an option that you can sign in with your phone number, or if you want, or if you are a little bit lazy and if you want to have it more comfortable, you have the option to sign in through a Facebook login or to a Google login. Me personally, I will log in now through the Google login. So basically, when you have your Gmail account set up, you just press here, a new window pops up, and you can very easily sign in to our system through a Gmail login. So you see now, I just logged in here into the SAFE application through one click to the Gmail, to the Gmail or Google login. It's very simple, it's very easy. And now I'm inside of the SAFE application, I'm inside of the SAFE. So this here is my so-called wallet or my so-called SAFE, where I can now receive or as well send out items. Right now, you can see here, I have no items at the moment, and we will show you now how you can easily add new items, how it is working. For that, I need a serial number, of course. Diego, maybe you can explain quick to people What is basically a serial number? I mean, it's pretty easy to explain, but maybe you tell quick the people, why is the serial number important? I give you quick the word.
Yeah, the serial number, you can call it also the a unique identifier number. So we can easily how you call it, identify or give a unique number to items, to products, and the whole industry works with serial numbers, so they can uniquely mark items which they produce. And for us, this is important to create a unique identity for physical items, so we can search on it, we can store it with that number, and so it will take a very important position in the whole safe ecosystem. So
Correct.
this is
Correct. And
like the passport.
exactly.
You can call it a passport number.
Exactly. And guys, it's very important because it's the international standard. So if, let's say, somebody gets into police control, then the police checks usually the serial number. And that's very important, yeah, for our system, that it works, that the serial number is entered correctly, that it is saved correctly in the system. Because if you lose something, then of course the system can track it. As well, it's important, we will go now or dive into deeper right now. I add here a new item, and it's well important that you be as specific as possible. So the title is something personal. I would write now, this is the iPhone 11, a red one. I would write now, for me personally, that I know what this item is, I would write now down iPhone 11 red software. You can find this, by the way, all under in the Apple system, on the general, or in the Apple editings on the general. And I would just write this down like this, just for me personally, so I'm sure I know about which device we are talking. Software 13.6. You can find this everything here. And now I enter here the serial number. Okay, the serial number of my phone, I write it quick down, is this one here, 3700 VN 731. Okay, so this is the serial number. Category, mobile phones. I add this here, and then I would write down a description. This is as well something where you can get into details. I would write down iPhone 11, model number, MVL 2QL. The more information, the better, of course, because it helps the law enforcement, the insurances, and everybody who interacts with us. It helps to basically, to find that item again if it disappears, or if it gets lost, if it gets stolen. It helps a lot. 64 gigabytes. What else we have here? I think this is the most important. The most important numbers. Status is active. It's in my possession right now, and now I submit it to the database. So now you can see I have here my personal item. Now let's check something real quick. For all the people who are a little bit deeper into crypto, we have something which is called safe transactions. So you can see right now, I just added the item, and it gets directly here, basically in the safe transactions saved. And this is something you can compare to the Bitcoin Block Explorer or to Etherscan, where you can directly see all transactions. And we will now do a little example, or we will show you the different options we have to interact with our system, how you can use our system. First of all, I show you now the most important feature. When I go here to safe.org .org, safe.org, then you have here the interface for searching after items. So what I can do now is, we just added this item before, and if I'm searching now after this item, it pops up here in the system and it shows me it's active. Everything is okay with this item. Now, let's make another example. Now, let's say this iPhone is now in my possession and somebody steals it from me. Now I say, okay, I want to get this iPhone back. Now I go here to editings and I change the status from active to stolen. Okay, now what happens? It gets updated in real time. You can see it here. And let's say this phone gets now in or the one who has this phone now gets now in a police control. Now the police, of course, has an access to our system. And let's go back, safe.org. So now, if you do the same search, this can be the law enforcement who do the search. This can as well be an individual who do the search. You will find here, take care, the status is stolen. And this makes it, of course, a lot more complicated, a lot more, how would you call it, Diego? A lot more uncomfortable for a thief to sell items.
Or it will definitely, it will definitely draw attention. So the tension around selling selling something that you know already it's not 100% purchased correctly. It I would say it will increase the tension of criminals to prevent to go freely out and think that people they cannot see through the item. You know, the things that we are having right now is you don't have any in real time database which you can contact and get in real time information that can prevent you from in seconds from decisions that you cannot go back. So you have, I would say it increases definitely the tension for the people to not make it as easy as it was before.
Exactly.
You know?
And now there is a very easy, tool. You can contact here directly the owner. So you can press this button and directly you get into a chat field where you can directly interact with the owner. At a stolen item, this is one thing, but let's say now, let's make an example now. Let's go back where we was originally. Let's say it's not stolen. Let's say the item is lost. There it gets very interesting because now let's make an example of lost and found office. Diego, we was talking once about that. How does it look usually in a lost and found office? How organized are these guys? Can you tell a little bit the people?
I would say the bigger the cities, the more chaotic the things look. So they have it's not their fault, you know. It's not about blaming some. So, there was never was a system that is easily accessible to anyone, that they can comfort all this process. But I would say the bigger the cities, the more you forget it. You will never find your stuff. It's not possible to handle it.
I think I discussed this last time with you about the US airports where post-corona there was like 15,000 laptops lost per week.
Yeah.
Did I discuss this with you? I'm not sure anymore.
Yeah. We were we were talking about it.
And guys, when you think about 15,000 laptops which get lost in an airport which gets or which will be stored in the lost and found office. This is crazy. And basically with this application here, what the people can do, we make quick again a search. Let's see if the status changed. You see now it's lost. And let's say I'll leave my phone or my laptop at the airport. Now the lost and found office, even if the phone is locked, you can with a simple code which you put into the phone, you can find out, is this phone, or what is the serial number of this phone? And now you can very easily get in touch with the original owner. And that's just awesome. And it's an awesome application. It makes the life of everybody so much easier. And we come a little bit later to our sticker, because there I have as well a story where travel or not travel, airplane company or airline lost my luggage. And with our sticker, I could very easily find out where is my luggage, or the airline can get very easily with me into contact. And this is something what makes the life of the people much more easier. But let's check real quick. Let's go to the app again. We got it here. And let's try now the thing out about the proof of ownership. What is proof of ownership? Or let's say the transfer of ownership. I put this now back because I have my iPhone in my possession. So submit. Now it's back active. And now we try how an actual transfer work. Let's say this phone, I'm selling it now to Diego, okay? I say, I want the new iPhone 11, that's boring. I want the new one. Now let's see how this goes. Diego, could you please quick log into your account and send me your safe code over? Is that possible?
Of course. Just a second. Let me copy that for you. Back. I'm gonna send it in the chat, huh?
Yes, please. So the people can watch it in real time.
Let's
I open
go.
the chat. I already got it. Thanks a lot. So this is the code of Diego. Okay. I will copy paste that now, and we will watch now in real time if it is working or if it's not working. What do you think, Diego? Will it work? I'm pretty sure. So I have here the unique user ID. I have here my phone, and I enter this right now here in the system. Okay. This is the right code, right 82 at the end. Yes, correct. And I press here, submit. I press here, are you sure you want to transfer the item? And imagine in the past, this was only possible. I send you by post, I send you my phone, and I have to give you the receipt. And with the receipt, you can prove then it's really your phone. And with this system, you can, or we basically replace receipts. So I press now here, confirm, Zach. And let's see, my item here is disappeared. What's about your wallet? Does it appear in your wallet there, Diego?
Just a second.
And I can tell you before, guys, look here, guys, this is the block explorer or the safe transaction network. And we can see here, I entered before this wallet address or this address of Diego, and here it is. It just got transferred, and you can see in real time, it went from my safe to the safe of Diego. Can you see it in your system, Diego?
Let me put it like that. I'm a proud owner of an iPhone 11 Red.
Exactly.
Yeah, I got it.
So guys, you see, that's how it's going. That's how it's going. This is really, to be honest, a system which can really now I don't get it. We will revolutionize. Did I say it right? I think yes. And we will really turn this space upside down when it comes to proof of ownership, basically. So this is really a crazy thing. I can search now with the same serial number after the iPhone, which is in possession of Diego. Now, of course, I need to give this item. This will be like a personal deal we are doing. I hand over the iPhone to Diego and send it as well digitally to him. And yeah, this is a big thing. You can see it here in the transaction story. And this is just, yeah, it will be a big thing. Then we have here something else. Bulk uploads or bulk insert, we call this. And this is more for kind of producers when they, as example, have a lot of items in one run, they can upload it here. And they can upload hundreds or thousands of items. They just need to upload a specific file. We have here an example file. Here can the can everything be implemented? And here is an explanation. Basically not for the individual user, but more for the corporate user. Our goal, Diego can tell a little bit more about that. Our goal in the next 5 years is that every producer stores their items and as well transfer their items on our system. Diego, maybe you can tell a little bit more about which industries we are targeting, where in which directions we are going when it comes to producers. Can you tell the people just a little bit?
Of course. We are basically, I would call it attacking the whole industries in different industries. Like, for example, all the valuable good industry, luxury goods in industries like high fashion, clothing, jewelry market, all markets which which appreciate that that they can store and track their goods on the market. Like tracking, when I'm speaking of tracking, I mean that they can be sure that their produced products are secured, because they put a lot of they put a lot of designs and efforts in producing beautiful stuff for the people. So it's understandable that they need a way to protect them. Medical goods, the whole issue of you know it very well, Björn, the whole counterfeit of medical, the thing that are destroying people and hurting people, car industries. So we are attacking some big fields in the industry. Like I would say a big concentration is on the whole luxury market, like clothing or fashion and jewelries. And yeah, you know, once we start, we cannot come to an end in which industries, or the whole art industry, which we often talk, but step by step.
Thanks, Diego. And there basically we are coming to the next point. Diego was talking about counterfeit. We got some very hot products here in the pipeline. We are talking about the safe sticker. Let's dive a little bit more deep into that. There we have two different sectors. Safe stickers for individuals and the safe stickers or the safe chips for, let's say, manufacturers. So let's jump a little bit in that. I have a very big announcement from today on, from this video on. The pre-sale, the pre-order of the safe stickers is open. So guys, basically what you can do right now is you can go here on this webpage, and the URL will be different. It will be safe.org /shop. So you will be able to purchase there the safe chips. You can get them directly from our online shop. There will be a pre-sale for 1 month, and on the 14th of December, at the right time, just a little bit before Christmas, they will be sent out to your home. There is as well another announcement. What we presented to you right now was the Safe web application. Okay, that's this system here. To use the Safe chip, you will need the Apple or the iOS version in the Apple Store, or as well, there will be a version for Android, Google phones, okay? This will be a little bit later. This will be in our launch, in the month of the launch. We will introduce to you the applications. So stay tuned. This will be in the next few videos. We will have a lot of announcements about exchanges. We will have announcements about the applications. We will have announcements about what are we developing in the next stage, what is coming next. So this will be all in this crazy month of November, start of December. So what you basically can do is, this here is the Safe sticker. You can pre-order it right now. You can pay through credit card. You can pay through cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. This will be all no big deal. And 3 stickers, take care guys, 3 stickers will cost $9.90. How does that sticker work? Diego, maybe you can tell the people a little bit, make maybe an example with a phone, with a laptop, with luggage. Just give the people a little bit insight. How will this sticker work?
The sticker is the bridge between our technology or the database or the safe web app application, like our technology, and the physical goods. Yep. So you stick it you can stick it on what you want, like a mobile phone, your laptop. We take these examples because this almost everyone got a phone on him or works today with his laptop, and basically you stick it, and you with that you have a bridge where you can scan the sticker with the application.
So basically
the whole process what we did manually is in an automatic form which we created.
I understood. So basically, if I got it right, I can stick the sticker onto my laptop. And let's make an example now. I forgot my laptop at the airport, and the people who find my laptop, they can scan now this chip with the phone. Is this correct?
Exactly.
Okay, awesome. So guys, one example which happened to myself, where we said, let's develop something in this direction. It was, I had travel luggage which the airline lost, and with the system we have here, I would have the option to just put the sticker on my travel luggage, and if the lost and found office found this travel luggage, they can just scan it and get in touch with me. Like we saw it before, I can track it as lost. They can scan it. It's very easy usable. You can scan the QR code, or you can scan the NFC chip inside of the chip, and then you can figure out where or who is the owner of this item. Very simple, very easy technology, and just a thing which makes our life much more easier. And let's maybe talk a little bit about, here you can see different examples how you could use this chip. And let's talk a little bit about how is this technology helping to prevent counterfeit. How is this working exactly? How is this working? Can you tell the people maybe quick, Diego, if I understood it right, these chips can as well be implemented into physical objects. Is that correct, or how should that work?
Yeah, there are two, the sticker or the technology, we call it the technology of the stickers, will be on two fronts or two possibilities. That is very important, what I want to add. Now we created something that we can interact with the people. So I want to motivate the people to get these stickers and interact with us, test us, show us new thing, bring your own idea into this whole thing. So we can make this thing big, and everyone gets the vision that we are talking and try to show the people. So we will have two ways. The sticker is it's very easy to use. You stick it on a thing that you want to protect. You put it on your app, and from there you can, if you lose it, or somebody found it, or it's got stolen, people have a possibility to get in touch with you and to return your item. The other way is more for the producer side.
Yes.
So they will have a way to put it from production one. They will add one production step. It's a small step. It's nothing which will change anything or something in their production way. They put it from production side in the factory. Like, for example, an iPhone, or a better example is like a luxury bag. So they will have the chip inside and protected from manufacturer side, and will have the same effect like you put it manually on when you stick the things. And that's the power actually of the whole idea. So we can identify every produced item, from cars to watches to mobile phones, cameras, e-bikes, and exactly know or track what is the history, where it went, who was the pre-owner, what's the actual status. And all these things will have a massive impact on security side, or even on what it's worth. Because there are a lot of industries, like the watch industry. We are from Switzerland, so watches are something we often got in touch. And for a pre-owned watch, for example, it's an important information. I don't know if people are aware of that. How many pre-owner does the watch had before?
Yes.
Or the same thing in the car industry. How many pre-owner did the car that I'm interested in have? And so we have a very, I would say, very easy way to have an access to this information, what can on so many sides be helpful, like for security side or for the trading side. And yeah.
Awesome. So basically you are saying, let's say I want to purchase a Louis Vuitton bag. In the future, I can just take my phone, put it to the bag, scan the chip, and then I know if it's an original or not, right?
Exactly.
Perfect.
That's
I can find out with the system who was the pre-owner, or how many pre-owners was there. I have really a proof of ownership track, basically.
Proof of ownership. And you can, the most important information, does this Louis V bag come from the Louis Vuitton manufacturer?
Wow, this is awesome.
This also, when you travel, for example, you come from, I don't want to name countries which are known for fakes, and you pass the authorities. They have, when they are not sure, they have a way to easily scan the bag. They don't have to put you aside and to put you there to how you say, to take your time.
Yeah.
They can easily scan it, and when it communicate with the application, they know, okay, this bag is original. They
Wow.
can, they will pass. So from benefits from all the sides.
That's awesome. So guys, very important, the stickers, they will work together with the app for iPhone, or for the iPhone, for the Apple devices. They will work together with Android, Google phone devices. We will launch this as well in this month. So we will present you everything. We don't want to, how you say, overwhelm you with information. So what you can do right now is you can go under www.safe.org. You can check out the fully working web application. We just presented it here. It's working awesome. You can try it out, refer it to your friends. You help us a lot with that. And of course, add your items, add your laptop, add your phone, add whatever you want, your camera, maybe your hockey stick, everything what has a serial number, you can track in our system. And if it gets lost, if it gets stolen, you can very easily report it and make it a lot more harder for the thief to resell it. So that's the one thing. Another thing is you can purchase or pre-order the stickers. They will be sent out on the 14th of December 2020. And I think, $9.90 for 3 chips is not something what is that much. A packet, I don't know, I'm not a smoker, but a package of cigarettes cost almost the same price, and you can protect 3 items with those stickers very easily. They will be ready on 14th of December, ready to send out for Christmas. And yes, I think we have pretty much everything when it comes to the launch. We talked about the Safe search engine. We talked about the transactions. We talked about the Safe shop and about accessing the web app. Do you have something else, Diego, to finalize or to add here?
I will close with one thing, guys, people. Now it's your time. Interact with us, and I'm very excited of the reactions and of things that we will see in those interactions.
Perfect. I have something which is very important, guys. This was not everything. Okay, it was just the start. We will now, for 1 month, push almost every day, at least every week, new information out. We will do a few announcements the next few days. The announcements are about exchange listings. The announcements are about future products which we will push out. The announcements are about the iOS and Android application, how you can use the chips together. And there will be so much stuff. Of course, then we will send out the Safe chips, and everything just starts right now. So very important to everybody who supports our project, who is into our token. We have very specific goals. Our goal is clearly, we have now a working product. So basically you can imagine now the 3 years we are right now in business was kind of the pregnancy phase. And now the baby is on the world. And for us, everything just starts right now. We are getting deals with governments right now. We are setting up deals with law enforcement agencies, basically. We are getting our product out into distribution. So we will list it into different stores. We are contacting right now distribution partners. As well, insurances are a very big thing. Our system is designed to work together with insurances. A lot of stuff or let's say we have it right now in the back of our hand, but we are not publishing it right now. What we published right now is what is 100% functional. There will be so much new things which are coming out, and just stay tuned, sign into the application. It's completely for free. You can store everything here. We don't make money from individuals. We will make money from the governments, from the law enforcement agencies, from the insurances, from the authorities, but we will not take the money from you. You can order the Safe stickers with us. There, of course, we earn something, but it's a very fair price. I think it's a very a big use which you get from these 3 stickers, and maybe you find or you already have now the gift for your partner or your parents or whatever for Christmas. So that's from my side everything. I don't know, Diego, do you have something else?
Everything said.
Perfect. Then guys, we see us the next week. We will have soon more updates for you, and stay tuned, guys. I'm very happy that you was watching this video. Please send it to friends. Hit the like button down below. Leave a comment if you have questions. Write us in our Telegram group, and we see us very soon.